I'm Dr. P.C. Mandal, Head of the Department of Cardiology, Apollo Heart Institute. We are attending cardiac emergencies 24 hours in a day and 7 days in a week. We are with you and we are taking all precautions for patients, patient attendants and healthcare workers. So in case of cardiac emergencies, please don't waste time. Precious time loss is a loss of heart muscles and cardiac function deteriorates with time and outcome also not so good as compared to the early intervention. Thank you.
And we are facing very challenging time with the COVID pandemic. However, at Apollo, we are fully prepared to deal with all cardiac emergencies like heart attacks, complete heart blocks, permanent pacing, and we are keeping all the acute services open through our emergency. We have a dedicated team which takes care of all sort of patients and provide them with full emergency care. Please contact the emergency and the cardiac services. Should you have chest pain or other symptoms of cardiac diseases, do not sit at home because that will actually be very detrimental to you.
Acute chest pain, shortness of breath, blackouts. These are the sinister symptoms of heart disease. If you have any of these symptoms, you need to immediately come to a hospital. And that hospital will be best for you, which has well-qualified cardiologists and has the infrastructure to provide cardiac facilities under one roof. And the name of that hospital is, of course, Apollo Clinicals Hospital.
No cardiac patient should either postpone or delay his treatment for the fear of COVID infection. Remember, in cardiac care, timely treatment saves lives.
Hello friends, hope you are well. We are coming to our hospital regularly and taking care of all sorts of ailments. If you have symptoms like of chest pain, breathlessness or sudden onset of palpitation and unconsciousness, you can come freely to Apollo Hospital because we are taking all precaution to guard against COVID infection. Thank you.
So I am a cardiologist here, and let me assure you, on behalf of Apollo Clinicals Hospital's Cardiology Department, that all sorts of cardiac emergencies will be effectively dealt with in this present corona pandemic. The most difficult situation, as we all know of, is an heart attack, myocardial infarction. And you know that whenever there is a heart attack, we need immediate treatment. So as we know that in a heart attack, the artery gets blocked and there is no nutrition to the cardiac muscle. So there is great impairment of the cardiac function and whatever care is needed immediately. So the message is simple, that even in a background of COVID scenario, when people are getting denied in different hospitals, here in Apollo Clinicals Emergency, we have a full line protocol to deal effectively with cardiac emergencies. So none of the cardiac emergency patients, be it a heart attack, be it a heart failure or any sorts of emergencies, no patients will be ever denied from Apollo Emergency in this present pandemic.
Hello friends, we understand the apprehension of our patients in this current COVID-19 situation. But emergency cardiac treatment cannot wait. We ensure emergency cardiac care for our patients in a safe environment so that our patients and healthcare workers remain safe and healthy. Thank you.
Hello friends, today we are passing through a very difficult time in this pandemic. I would request all of you to seek immediate medical attention if you have any kind of cardiac emergency in the form of chest pain, blackout or any kind of heart rate problems. Cardiac emergencies cannot wait. We at Apollo Clinicals Hospitals is constantly providing emergency cardiac services 24/7 all days in a week. So if you have any cardiac problem, do not wait at home and wait for a disaster that could be lethal.
The largest pandemic we are facing has wreaked havoc on our society. We are all shaken. People are afraid of coming to the hospital, and some people are believing hospitals are not functioning properly. Under such scenario, patients are either hiding their symptoms or trying to manage it locally with inadequate facilities. But as a consultant cardiologist, one thing I want to make sure that consequences of cardiac emergencies are much more devastating than corona itself. Without treatment, almost all the patients with cardiac emergency either succumb to it or live a compromised life with a weakened heart. On the other hand, timely intervention can save a life in all respect.
Hello friends, in these testing times of COVID pandemic, we at Apollo Hospitals are performing all kind of emergency and urgent cardiac procedures like pacemakers and primary angioplasties. Patient safety has always been our top priority. The hospital protocol ensures that all the healthcare workers, including the doctors, undergo a mandatory screening test for COVID symptoms on a regular basis. And this also makes sure that your patient is in safe hands and are prevented from contracting the disease.
Hello friends, COVID-19 pandemic has hit us badly and our brains are presently occupied with coronavirus infection only. But we must continue treatment of other medical conditions as well. So we are available at our hospital to treat your emergency cardiac conditions. So don't make any unnecessary delay in coming to the hospital. And we are taking extreme precautions and safeguards to ensure your safety during your admission and to prevent cross-infection. Thank you.